What's up, guys? Today we're reacting to Roblox Car Crash Compilation 13. Let's just get right into it because it's very fun. I've seen some others. Yeah, he got mad. Oh my god! Look in the mirrors before you turn. Yeah, that is incomplete. Yeah.
Right. This pretty much means you paid what, like $200 for the lawnmower because. Oh, you freaking idiot!
That's right. Yeah, that car got completely obliterated. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! I need to call 911.
As far as I know, they're
Call 911, yeah.
Like resilient in the sense of like driving. God damn it!
Ow.
These motherfuckers just pulled out in front of me.
How does not sound? Wow. No, thank you. Okay, I'll just put that a little bit faster because that's a little bit violent. Still fits Roblox. What country is that? Back. Yep. Oh my god. Nah, he blew through that car like it was nothing. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Bro's going like 80 miles per hour in like a 40 zone or something. Oh my god. That's crazy. What's gonna happen here? Truck driver? Oh my god! Bro just blew through everything. Oh my god. That's a lot of damage. Oh, that sound though when it hits everything and drives through. Oh my god.
You guys okay?
Motion that you have to do.
Yes, I'm okay.
And just all over the whole thing.
Bro's like trophies there. What's this? Yep. That car is just broken. Yeah, he got mad. It's gonna be from the back again, I think. Yep. They're babies there, oh my god. Why?
Hello, I'm about to pull up out.
No, thank you. No. No, thank you. No. No. Yeah, she screams. She hit people. Like Roblox people. Oh, that's a Ferrari too. That car got obliterated. There's nothing out of that car. Why are you switching the road like that? Something choking back there or what? Probably a dog or something. I don't know. Yeah. uh, Thanks for watching. That was everything for today, for this car crash compilation. Yeah, so subscribe to this guy, Lego Craze. He's a very cool guy. Makes very funny videos. So yeah. So I just want to say goodbye, humans, and yeah. See you later.